Have you noticed how the world worships youth? Every ad, every social post screams, "Stay young, look young, act young." Yet the people who truly understand life, the ones who have faced heartbreak, loss, and regret, and still rise, are often ignored. We listen to the loudest voices and miss the quiet wisdom waiting patiently in the corner. There is a loneliness that comes not from having nothing, but from sharing too much with the wrong people. It creeps in slowly and only fully reveals itself in later years. I've watched people with wealth, influence, even families, sit quietly, feeling unseen and misunderstood. Peace doesn't come from explanation. It comes from protecting what is sacred. Your pain, your growth, your inner world. Pain shapes the way you move through life. It shapes your smile, your trust, and your forgiveness. Talking endlessly about it doesn't heal. Pain is not weakness. It is proof you lived fully and loved deeply. But it demands protection. The wrong ears can make it worse. Sharing becomes spilling, leaving you emptier than before. Some wounds are sacred. They need reflection, patience, and silence. The same is true of goodness. There is quiet strength in doing right without announcing it. The sun doesn't post reminders. It simply appears. Kindness, when silent, stays pure. When broadcast, it risks being measured, compared, or dependent on applause. Quiet generosity nourishes the soul, strengthens character, and builds humility. It allows you to serve freely, without expectation, without burden. Money is another truth that requires protection. It is sensitive, not because wealth is evil, but because it exposes intention. Sharing financial details too openly invites opinions, assumptions, and resentment. Money changes dynamics. Friendships shift. People measure your choices and feel entitled or envious. Financial privacy is responsibility, not secrecy. Guard your earnings, savings, and discipline. They are yours to manage, not justify. Fear is fragile. Spoken to the wrong people, it grows. Most fears are imagined, borrowed from futures that haven't arrived. They take root when amplified by others. Suddenly, your fear is no longer yours. It echoes louder than ever. Old age teaches discernment. Share fears with those who calm, guide, and remind you of courage. Faith grows in silence. Courage strengthens quietly. Confidence breathes. Family is perhaps the most delicate sphere. Conflicts spoken publicly rarely heal. They become narratives judged by outsiders who are not invested. Silence preserves dignity, nurtures reflection, and allows careful response. Relationships thrive when handled privately. Peace matters more than being right. Winning arguments while losing relationships is a poor exchange. Quiet conversations heal faster than loud explanations.